What up, Tube? Coming back at you with a little update. Just got my template done. Been working on it for a little bit. Give you guys an idea of how I did my template for this. Pretty much what I did was just took some cardboard, took my time and roughed it into shape and got it as smooth as I could, and then pretty much just wrapped the edges right around in here with tape so I have a smoother edge to it. Found my center line. As you can see, this is my center line right here. Center line runs right through the center of the hood. Center line also runs from back here right through the center of the hood. Make sure that lined up well, and then pretty much just took my peak here and made sure that lined up very well where it was supposed to, and I just kind of just threw it in there. But just make sure that the peak lines up with that line. Make sure everything lines up well. When I look at it, make sure it's not crooked to the naked eye. You can tell the back is off just a little bit. Now I can see this whole front is, but just being able to line it up. Try to get it as close as possible. And so make sure it's just as straight as possible. I can still see the back on the left hand side. Needs to be walked over just a smidge to the right. But that's just me putting it in. The hole is big enough for me to be able to make some adjustments, as well as put it in there, fasten it up. What I think I'm going to do is drill some small little pilot holes in here and get some nice screws, some stainless steel screws or something to that effect, and screw it down from the top end. And then the next part will be trying to work the drip edge into it and get that all done. And I'm hoping to at least make my cut within the next couple days. Make sure everything is 100% A1, because I do not feel like trying to fix the hood if I overcut, or it's better to just measure up, keep on measuring, and the last thing that you do is cut. So yeah, that's the hood project that I'm working on. And so just keep tuned, stay tuned to any more updates, and then hopefully it'll be cut by the time you see the next update, and I'll get working on some other stuff with it. All right, Tube, I'll holler at you.